I'm Kyla Wagner and we're at Beechworth Bakery Echuca, and I am going to WorldSkills in Sydney.
So the qualities that Kyla has to take to Sydney and compete in World is she's really dedicated, she wants to learn new things, she's also competitive.
In Sydney we compete in baking and I get set criteria, so ranging from chocolate work to like cakes and tarts.
So helping Kyla prepare, we've given her time off so she can go and work really hard on her chocolate technique, so she's invested a lot of time in that, and we're fully supported of Kyla going to other businesses and learning what they can help her do.
My mentor Kim Banfield, who is my TAFE teacher, has been helping out quite a bit with organising me to come in and time off work. And
so being a local business in a local town, we'd love the community jump on board, follow the Facebook page of GOTAFE, Beechworth Bakery page, and get really behind my guys who's competing at Sydney.